In this video, I'm going to show you how to change data format to percentage in Power BI Desktop. So the first thing you want to do here inside Power BI, you want to go to your left-hand side and you want to click on Table View to actually open up your data view, just like a sheet over here where you can basically see all your data. Then you have to select which data you would like to format into percentages. So for this example, I'm just going to go to discounts over here. Even though it may not make the most sense, it's going to show you how to do it. So that's all it requires. And I'm going to just click on discounts up here. So I'm not going to select individual fields, even though you could do that as well, but I'm going to just select discounts so everything is selected, so the whole column. And then up here at the very top, you want to go to column tools, and then in here you'll be able to see a percentage. Now whenever you click on that, it will display the values in this column in percentages. So if I click that, it's going to refresh, and there we go. Everything is now here in percentages. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.